Before starting the lecture, you know that there are some rules for the online class, that you need to be punctual and ready to learn. Mute your microphones when you are not speaking. Raise your virtual hands when you need to speak. And keep your cameras on and stay focused. Okay, I'm going to explain the rules once again. Be punctual and ready to learn. Mute your microphones when you are not speaking. Raise your virtual hands when you need to speak. Keep your cameras on and stay focused. Okay. If you have any question related to the topic, you can ask me anytime while raising the hands. Okay. So let's start our today's lecture. Today's lecture is like more about the real life rather than the hypothetical situation of some questions. So let's start our today's lecture. I'm going to link linear functions to the real life context. How I'm going to relate the real life linear functions to the real life context? Anyone who can give me the answer? Yes, Yusuf. What is the question, Yusuf?
मैम आज कोई रिटर्न वर्क होना है?
Yes, there is a written work, but that must be on your books, but at the end. Okay. So I am going to relate the linear function towards the real life context. So yes, Ares, what is the question?
मैम तो काम सिर्फ बुक में होगा.
Yes.
ओके.
Okay. There is no need to open the books right now. Just listen to me what I'm saying. Just take the concept first, then we will be solving some of the questions from the exercise 1C, which is actually related to our daily life. Okay, so I'm going to link the linear function with the daily life. How I'm going to do this, just listen to me very carefully. I'm giving you just one example and you need to answer me that first. For example, have you ever seen electricity bill from the Bahria? Have you ever seen? Yes, okay. Can you tell me that what is the bill alongside electricity bill which you need to pay whether you are using that thing or not? Can you explain that alongside bill of from the barrier with the electricity bill? Anyone just raise your hands? Anyone? Yes, Moise. Yes, Moise.
Maintenance.
Maintenance, yes, that maintenance bill. If I'm saying that I have no concern about the maintenance at in this month, in this coming month, there is no maintenance work which I'm going to take any help from the Bahria, but still I need to pay that maintenance bill which is of 5,000 rupees and I have to pay that. What is that actually? What is that actually? That is something fixed which I need to pay. Okay, that is something fixed which I need to pay. Yes, Dured, is there any question? Dured, Dured Raza, is there any question? Let me unmute you. Yes, Dured. Yes, Dured.
मैम वो गलती से किया था.
Okay, no issue. Okay, so I'm going to link it with the fixed cost. I'm saying that this is something which you need to pay. For example, if I will say that you are living in some rented house and you are going on a vacation for a month, but still, can the owner will the owner say that there is no need to pay the bill as you are not in the home? Yes, Nile.
मैम पे तो करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, you should pay that. Why you are paying? Because that is something fixed which you need to pay. And whatever there is something fixed, we are giving it the name y-intercept. Anything which is fixed, I'm giving that name a y-intercept. For example, if a worker is on a leave from the job, still the owner will have to pay the salaries. That salaries are actually related to fixed cost. So the fixed cost is something which we need to pay whether we are using it or not. We have to pay that cost. Now, if I'm saying that the cost of per unit, if you are using 20 units of electricity, if you are using 20 units of electricity at the rate of 2 rupees, what will be the price you will be paying for the cost of electricity? You are using 20 units at 2 rupees. Yes, Arish, many hands are raised. Very well done. Yes, Arish.
Ma'am, 40 units.
40 rupees. 40
Ma'am,
rupees
sorry,
for
40
20.
rupees.
40 rupees for 20 units. I will be paying 40 rupees. But what if I will be using 100 units at the rate of 2 rupees? What will be the total price I have to pay? Yes, Dured.
Ma'am, 200 rupees.
200 rupees. Can you see that whenever I am changing the units, Nile, what if I will be using 200 units at the rate of 2 rupees? What will be the price I have to pay? Yes, Nile, unmute yourself.
400.
400 rupees. I need to pay 400 rupees. Can you see that whenever I am changing the units, the price is ultimately changing, right? If I am changing the units, the price is ultimately changing. It means that this is something which depends on the number of units consumed. This is known as a variable cost that varies with the number of units. Is this right? So I can say that my total cost will now become the variable cost plus the fixed cost. Many hands are raised. I know you people knew the answer, but just give me 1 more minute. I can answer you more. Okay. Let me tell you. Yes, Haris, unmute yourself. Haris, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the fixed cost is 5,000 and the variable cost, take anything, any one. Yes, take this. Then 200 is my variable cost. What will be the total cost? What will be the total cost?
5,200.
5,200. Can you break it out that the total cost is a combination of fixed cost and a variable cost? Is this clear? Is this
Yes,
clear to everyone? Is this
yes.
clear? Okay, now I'm going to ask another question. Why I am saying that this variable cost and this fixed cost will be related to the linear function. Can anyone tell me the equation of the line? Can anyone tell me the equation of the line? Equation of the line. Yes, Arish, your hand is raised. What is the equation? What is the equation of the line?
Ma'am, M,
Yes,
ma'am, Y
that
equals X plus C.
yes, y is very well done. Very well done. Y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c. Can I relate it to the total cost? But how? How I am going to relate it to the total cost? I must say that this is my fixed cost. This is my fixed cost, and this is something which is a variable one. I must say that this is variable and this is a fixed cost. Is this clear? Is this clear? So it means that whenever I have to draw the graph, let me draw the graph first, then I will explain you that how I'm going to do it. Just a second, I'm going to draw the graph. I'm going to draw the graph. Just a second. Just a second. Give me just 1 minute. Okay, now just see this. Just see this. This is fixed cost. This is my variable cost. Can anyone tell me from where I will start the graph of total cost? Right from here or right from here? What will be the total cost? What will be the how I am going to draw the graph of total cost? Whether it will be from the downward from the 0 point from the origin, or it will be starting from that fixed cost. Anyone? Afan, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me that from where I will start the total cost graph, right from the here from the origin, or right from here from the fixed cost? Whether I have
Ma'am, fixed. Would it be the fixed cost, ma'am?
Yes, the graph of total cost will be somehow at this point. Why at this point? Because total cost is a combination of fixed cost and a variable cost. And we have already studied the concept that the point which touches the y-axis is known as C. It means that this is our y-intercept. This variable cost is our slope, which is mx. It means that y is equals to mx plus c. Is this clear? Is the concept clear? Okay, nice. Let's move towards the next question, which I'm going to ask from you, and you need to answer me. That question is somehow this one. Just read the question from the real life scenario. Muhammad Aris, your hand is raised. Is there any question? Okay, nice. Okay, the question is real life scenario, Sarah's lemonade stand. Sarah's plan. What is her plan? Stand rental, that is $10 fixed cost, right? Wow, nice response, Moise, nice response. Sarah's rental stand is fixed cost $10. Lemons and sugar per glass 0.50, that is actually the variable cost. She needs to make 20 glasses. She needs to find the cost of 20 glasses. What if the one glass of lemonade cost 0.50? She needs to make 20 glasses. Can you tell me what is the total cost? What is the total cost? I'm giving you 1 minute. Just solve it out. Just solve it out and give me the answer. Just solve it out and give me the answer. Very well. Quick response. Yes, Aris.
Ma'am, if one glass costs $0.50 a cent, and she has to 20, and she's asking how much 20 glasses will cost, so will it be $10 for the
Yes, that
total?
that will be $10, and that will be her variable cost. Then what will be the total cost, Aris? Can you tell me?
If the variable cost is $10 and the fixed cost is also $10, then
Yes.
answer will be $20.
$20. It means that the total cost will be fixed cost plus the variable cost, that is actually $20. Is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? The concept is crystal clear. Yes, Moise, is there any question?
मैम इसको हल्का सा कहते हैं राउंड ऑफ कर सकते हैं हल्का सा कि नहीं
Uh, how
फिक्स
much
मतलब
you will
बिल्कुल
round it?
फिक्स
How much you will round it off? How much?
मैम हल्का हल्का जैसे कि हम अभी जैसे कि 20 कहते सेंट्स रह गए हैं तो हम उसको राउंड ऑफ करके जैसे कि 2019 है 19.40 अब हमने बिल्कुल उसको 20 पे करना है तो राउंड ऑफ कर ले
19.4 will not be converted into 20.
ओके ये राउंड ऑफ
Okay.
नहीं कर सकते
Yes, there is no need to do the rounding off estimation, because the concept is crystal clear. I can solve it out for you people. 0.50 when converted into fraction, we knew it that before underneath the point we will have to mark 1, then 0 after many places, then multiply it with 20. Sorry. Now I have to solve it out. 0 cancelled with this 0, 0 cancelled with this 0, 5 multiplied 2, the answer is $10. There is simple calculation, right? Clear? Okay, now coming towards the question from the book. This is the basic concept of fixed to variable cost and the comparisons. Okay, now coming towards the question number 5 from your books, I request you all to please open your books, page number 38. Open your books, page number 38. Request you all to please open your books, page number 38. Everyone, please open your books, page number 38. Yes, Yusuf, what is the question?
मैम ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 होमवर्क नहीं था
Question number 5?
होमवर्क नहीं था
No, I'm going to solve it out.
ओके
Okay, now, yes, we have to start from the question number 5. Nile, what is the question?
बुक पे करना है
Yes, you need to do it on your books. Okay, now the question is, two mobile phone companies A and B offered the plan with the talk time rate as shown in the graph, right? There is a graph of two mobile phone companies. Yes, Arham, what is the question?
मैम ये आ रही था
No, it is not the RA. I am going to solve it out. Okay, so the two mobile phone companies, the mobile phone company A and the mobile phone company B, right? You know that there are many mobile phone companies in real life as well. I can give you the example that is Telenor, that is Varid, that is Jazz, and many more. Okay, so there are two companies A and B. They are giving the rates for different talk times. If you can see at horizontal line, at the x-axis we have time and at the y-axis we have the charges, right? Now, how much does company A, you need to see the graphs, okay? How much does company A charge for 20 minutes of talk time? If company A is how much the company A is charging for 20 minutes of talk time? Very quick response. Yes, Aris?
मैम 0.90
0.90, and it may be 0.80 or 0.90 because there will be somehow a slight difference between the square boxes. Okay, yes, Afan, what is the question? Afan, what is the question?
No, ma'am, I was actually wanting to answer the part A. That's why it's
Or
my hand.
you can answer the part B. You can answer the part B. Let me
Okay,
clear.
okay.
Let me read the question first. How much does company B charge for 50 minutes of talk time? Company B. This is the graph of company B. This is the graph of company B. How much company B is charging for 50 minutes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
4.60 or 4.70.
No, Afan. Just
3
look at
point, sorry, I mean 3 point.
3.
3.60 or 3.70.
3.80, it's actually 3.80. Okay, if you can see, I'm coming to you, Arish, I'm coming to you. I will ask another question from you. Just a second. See this. If the company B is charging, how much the company B is charging for 50 minutes? This is 50 minutes, if you can see, and this is the y-axis where the charges are there. I am saying 3.80. Okay, now, the next one, if Raju uses less than 30 minutes, Abdul Hadi, just a second, just let me first finish the question, then I will ask you, okay? If Raju uses less than 30 minutes of talk time per month, 30 minutes of talk time per month, which company offers him a better plan? Explain your answer. If a person needs less than 30 minutes talk time plan, which company's plan is better for him? Just raise your hand. Okay, Arish, yes, Arish. Hadi, I'm coming to you, don't worry. Yes, Arish.
Ma'am, company A, because they will provide him $1.20.
Why not company B?
Ma'am, because if he chose company B, company B would cost him $1.60.
See, if he chooses less than 30 minutes talk time, see this one, less than 30 minutes talk time, right? At less than 30 minutes talk time, which company offers him a better rate? Which company offers him a better rate? Anyone else? Yes, Duret.
Ma'am, company B.
How company B? Can you explain?
Ma'am, it's cheaper than company A.
It's cheaper than company A. If you can see that the company B is charging less than the company A at the less than 30 minutes talk time, so we can say that company B is better for him in order to choose the plan if he wish to uses less than 30 minutes. Now the next is, which company has a greater rate of increase in charges? Which company has a greater rate of increase in charges? Explain your answer. Which company's charges greater rate? Can you explain? Can anyone explain? Many hands have been raised. Yes, Aryan. Aryan.
Ma'am, will it be company B?
It will be company B. Let me explain you again. Yes, Hassan and Ahmed Sharam. Is there any question?
Ma'am, company B
Yes, company B.
charges.
Yes, company B. If he uses less than 30 minutes, company A is charging more and company B is charging less. At the point where the both companies are giving almost the same rate at 40 minutes of talk time, after that 40 minute of talk time, company A is charging less and company B is charging a very high amount for each minute a person is using. That's why company A is a better option for him. Okay. If next question is, if Albert wants to pay only $4 for a talk time plan per month, if he have only $4 per month, which company should he choose? Which company is better for him? Anyone who can answer? Yes, Yusuf. Yes, Yusuf.
हैंड वो पिछले क्वेश्चन के लिए किया था वो
Oh,
अभी तक किया हुआ
okay. Solve it out. Solve it out. Okay, Afan, I'm coming. Yes, Afan.
Ma'am, it would be company A because company B only gives you about a small amount more than 50 minutes of talk time, while company A gives you 60. So that would be 60 minutes of talk time. That's why it would be company A.
Yes, very good answer. Very good answer. So, boys, I know everyone knew the answer, but this is up for today's lecture. As you know that you have your test of exercise 1A on Monday, do prepare it well. Still, if you find any difficulty related to the chapter, related to the concept, you can ask me anytime. Till then, I need to sign it out. Still, if you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.